Welcome to my channel Om's Beautiful World. Today in this video I will tell a story, Mother's Sacrifice. Let's read. This is a true story of a mother's sacrifice during the Japan earthquake. After the earthquake was subsided, the rescue team reached the ruins of a house. They saw a young woman's dead body through the cracks, but her pose was somewhat strange. She knelt on her knees like a person was worshipping. Her body was leaning forward and her two hands were supported by an object. The collapsed house had crushed her back and her head. With so many difficulties, the leader of the rescue team put his hand through a narrow gap on the wall to reach the woman's body. He was hoping that this woman would still be alive. However, the cold and stiff body held him to believe that she had passed away for sure. He and the rest of the team left this house and were going to search the next collapsed building. For some reasons, the team leader was driven by a compelling force to go back to the ruined house of the dead woman. Again he knelt down and used his hand through the narrow cracks to search the little space under the dead body. Suddenly he screamed with excitement, "A child! There is a child!" The whole team worked together. They carefully removed the piles of ruined objects around the dead woman. There was a 3-month-old little baby wrapped in a flowery blanket under his mother's dead body. Obviously, the woman had made an ultimate sacrifice for saving her son. When her house was falling, she had used her body to make a cover to protect her son. The little boy was still sleeping peacefully when the team leader picked him up. The medical help came quickly to examine the little boy. After the team leader opened the blanket, he saw a cell phone inside it. There was a text message on the screen. It said, "If you can survive, you must remember that I love you." This cell phone was around from one hand to another. Everybody who read the message wept. "If you can survive, you must remember that I loved you." Such is the mother's love for her child. Moral of the story is, parents are the most important, secure and solid pillars to our life. They teach and influence us to do right things. Our parents are like a God for us, and their sacrifice should not be forgotten. My story is over. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.